Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use an oil lamp, and this one is the Lamplight, the original oil lamp, and you can get this at Hobby Lobby for about $12. It's a general oil lamp, and I love this one because it has the little hook that you can put your hand in. It's very modern. That's why I chose this one. We have the chimney for the oil lamp. It's nice. We have the lamp body where you put the oil and stuff in it, and we have the burner as well as the collar and the wick in it already, so that's easy to assemble. And we have the ultra pure oil. It's clear. I recommend clear. It's sootless, smokeless, and odorless, so it doesn't create a mess. Basically what I did was I created a funnel using foil, but it's best that you use an actual funnel. I couldn't find one right now, but the foil one, as you can see, it's leaking a little bit of the oil, but that's fine. So this is how I did it, and it worked. It did the job. You do not want to try to pour the oil directly in because you're going to make a huge mess and it's going to spill all over. When you're pouring, you want to pour up to the line that you see there. You want to leave about an inch left. After that, you're going to let it sit for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, you should see the wick wet, a little bit moist, and you can put your hand there to feel it. And then it's ready to be lit. And after it's lit, you can dim it or make it brighter by moving the knob. And so yeah, that's basically how you set up an oil lamp to blow it out. All you have to do is put your hand on the back and blow down the chimney and it should blow out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.